Good evening, ma'am. I'm going to report what is provision. So, what is provision? The word provision is from the Latin word provisio, which means this thing. The word provision is also said to be originated from the Latin verb probare, which means to prove. Provision defined as a disposition under which a defendant, after conviction and sentence, is released subject to conditions imposed by the court under the supervision of the provisioner officer. This decree will take effect on January 2, 1978. So ang provision, the court or the judge can grant the provision. The petitioner, it is a convicted defendant who files an application for provision. So ang gitawag nato nga provisioner, it is a person placed on provision. Muna siya nakagrant na og provision. So provision is not a matter of right but a privilege. Provision, as a general rule, provision applies to all sentenced or convicted offenders for only all first-time offenders convicted of crimes punished by imprisonment of not more than six years. And the father of provision in USA is John Augustus, which is siya ang nagpauso sa bill kadtong mga drunkards. And then the father of provision in the Philippines is Chidolo Natividad. What is parole? It is a provisional release of a prisoner who agrees to certain conditions prior to the completion of the maximum sentence period. Originating from the French parole, voice spoken words, the term became associated during the Middle Ages with the release of prisoners who gave their word. The parole, it is a process of suspending the sentence of a convict after having served the minimum of his sentence without granting him pardon, and the prescribing term upon which the sentence shall be suspended. It is the release of imprisonment but without full restoration of liberty, as parolee in the custody of the law, although not the confinement. So what is the difference between parole and probation? In parole, administrative function exercised by the executive branch of the government, execution function, while in the probation, it is a judicial function exercised by the court. And the parole is granted for a prisoner only after he has served the minimum sentence, while the probation granted to an offender immediately after conviction, and the probation is only can apply once. In parole, it is extension of institutional. It is a conditional release of a prisoner whereby he is placed under the supervision of the parole officer after serving his minimum sentence. While in probation, it is substitute for imprisonment. Probation is an alternative to imprisonment instead of being confined in prison. The probationer is released to the community by the court with conditions to follow and is placed under the supervision of probation officer. The parole can granted by the BBPP, while the probation granted by the court.